Hi besties, here's our official how to use our PNGs with Cricut Design Space. Just to let you know, I have very limited knowledge of how to use this software. I do not even have a Cricut machine to test this on, but this is what I, along with a couple of you other besties, have figured out. So the first thing that you are going to need to do is open up your design space and click on New Project. Now, granted, some of you might already know how to do this, but I'm just starting from the beginning for anyone who does not. We're going to click on Upload. We're going to go ahead and click on, again, Upload New Image. Then we are going to drop the PNG that you got with your purchase. So let's go ahead and just drag and drop that in here. I found that you need to click on complex. When I tried simple and moderately, it did not work correctly. So go ahead and click on complex and then click on continue. Now, you don't have to erase anything or do anything in this step, just click continue. You do want to save it as a print then cut image, so go ahead and hit save. Once this saves, we'll be moving on to the next step, which is going to be resizing. Now, you will check the PDF that comes with your file to learn the correct sizing of each document. I've tried to make it simple. All of the same files are going to have the same size resizing guidelines. And this is how we're going to resize it. We're going to click on the image once it loads. We're going to make sure that locked proportions is on. We're going to change wide to 6.75. Hit enter. It's going to resize it for you to the correct sizing that you will need to print and cut your stickers properly. So, that's all. What you're going to do then is click on your Make It. I do recommend if you, once you go to print and hit send to printer, you will see that add bleed is on. Now, bleed extends the image slightly to pretty much eliminate white. You can leave that on or you can turn that off. I don't really know how that works, if it's going to cut the boxes too large or anything, but I just wanted to let you know that if bleed is on, it could bleed into other areas. So at this point, I would recommend you turning it off unless you don't mind for any slight imperfections. And then you can go ahead and hit your print button. It's going to print it and you'll be able to start cutting at that point. The other one is going to be the same way. So these are going to work for our vertical. It's going to be the same thing with our horizontal PP weeks and hobos. There's just might be separate sizing for those. So always check the PDF with your purchase. I can tell you that all of the verticals are going to be resized to 6.75 and your horizontal and or PP weeks, Hobonichi weeks will be sized 9 inches on the horizontal or long. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this helps. I'm really excited to bring this incredibly simple way for you to now be able to cut your stickers with your Cricut. Bye!